Dear friends, once we are trying to achieve something great, we must have a definite purpose, which is backed by a motive or a burning desire which has become a consuming obsession of our life. Second, we must be guided by the best brains who can support us, help us by their experience, power, wealth, position, inspiration, encouragement, motivation, whatsoever. And then we should have determination and commitment to go extra mile, working harder and harder, better and better, falling but rising, failing but not bothering about rectifying, modifying our plans of action, and ultimately going to reach our goal. That needs persistence. And if you are very persistent, because we believe we will succeed, because we know our procedures is right, and if there is some correction, we are going to modify it. Now I will send and let you know some of the quotes of the greatest Napoleon Hill, who wrote Think and Grow Rich. What are some lines which can reverberate and really encourage you? See what is telling.
What mystical power gives to men of persistence the capacity to master difficulties? Does the quality of persistence set up in one's mind some form of spiritual, mental, or chemical activity which gives one access to supernatural forces? Does infinite intelligence throw itself on the side of the person who still fights on after the battle has been lost, with the whole world on the opposing side?
You may be interested in knowing that I had the help of some 500 of the most successful men in America to help me create the science of personal achievement. Among them were such men as Thomas A. Edison, Henry Ford, John Wanamaker. Let me tell you about one man, perhaps my most outstanding student, who has made a tremendous success of his.
Dear friends, what I mean to say, all the great people, what Napoleon Hill was telling, there are multiple failures in life, because once we are trying to invent, discover, or do something great, there is nothing like certainty. Uncertainty principles of physics always work everywhere. But we have to find different ways and means by permutations and combinations. But everything needs persistent perseverance, continuation, and putting our best. And ultimately we will succeed. Those who quit, they never succeed. And those who succeed, they never quit. And they are not afraid of failures, because success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. You never can tell how close you are. You may be very near when it seems so far. So stick to your fight when your hardest hit, because it is things when you must not quit. Never change the battle by curse or regret. Never change the battle by curse or regret. Though you whimper and whine, the end must be met. And who fights a good fight, though he struggles in vain, shall have many victory to pay for his pain. So take the reverses as a plan which has destined to make you a supreme human, great human being. The human will that forces unseen. The offspring of deathless soul can heave away to any goal the walls of granite intervene. Dear friends, you will be what you will to be. Let failure find his false content in the poor world environment, but the spirit escorts it and is free. It masters times, it conquers a space. It calls the boastful tricks a chance. It bid the tyrant circumstance and fill a servant place. That is my spirit better. That is my really motive and inspiration to millions of the persevering, persisting students. You can triumph and come to skill. You can be great if you only will. You are well equipped for the fight you choose. You have hands and arms, legs and brain to use. You are the handicap you must face. You must say where you want to go. How much you will study the truth to know. God has equipped you for the fight, but lets you decide what you want to be. The courage must come from the soul within. The man must furnish the will to win. So figure it out yourself, my lad. You were born with all that the greatest of the men have had: 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and brain to use, if you could be wise. And with this equipment they all began. So get hold of yourself and say, I can also do it. Because you are blessed with the power of your brain. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve for you. But you have to believe in yourself. You think that I can do too. Because the life's battle don't always go to the strong or the fast man. But sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks, I can do it too. You can do it. Come on, man. Come on. Believe in yourself. That's me. Win or perish. Victory or death, do or die. Live like a hero. We are playing some kind of role. Never be allowing fear and doubt to come your mind. Because the diet will deprive you from becoming something great you are destined to become. All were born with similar talents. But it is your courage, conviction, determination, passion, perseverance, willpower, and the magic of believing. So cherish your vision, cherish your ideal, cherish the music that stirs your heart. And if you are really true to your passion, obsession, which is consuming and which is burning desire in your mind, and you are ready to win or perish, do or die, nothing can prevent you from becoming a person of your dream. Most of the people quit when they say difficulties, obstacles, gloominess, darkness, heartaches, headaches. But they do not know this is the price. This is the price you have to pay. And those who have attained great success, read their success story. You may be only seeing their glorious days, the most achieved post-position power, but you do not know the suffering below the ocean. There was a lot of burning fire, but they came gloriously like a gold, glittering more. They were like a dumb diamond, raw material. They were cut different angles, and so they start glittering. You will succeed. Thank you very much. This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi on Virendra Dear channel, a motivational director of Success Style. I am the motivational director of the universe, not belonging to any organization, institution. I am what I define myself. What you are. Who are you? What you are. What you want to do in life. Decide. Define. Because we are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought. With our thought we make the world. We become what we think about. So think what you want to become. Thank you very much.